Since COVID-19 discovery, the virus has spread globally. Due to immeasurable cases, problems to facilitate patients have arisen, where monitoring has become crucial for the government and health workers. Our team decided to build a system where facilities are monitored efficiently. How does Monitor works? Monitoring Healthcare Capacity System, or MONICA, is designed to improve and help our frontliners in facilitating patients across the specific area, and provide a better coordination for our local government and their COVID-19 facilities. Let's start on the facilitator page. To access the facilitator page, you have to log in first. Here's the facilitator's dashboard where you can admit new patients, view the patient's records and their status, and manage rooms and beds. Admitting patients includes patients' data, such as personal details, health history information needed by the facilities, and any COVID-related information are also tracked and recorded. This page is where you can view the list of patients and their records. To view their records, just click the record button. And this is how the patient's record looks like. Go back to patient's records. Then click the status button to enter the monitoring status page of the selected patient. This is where the facilitator manages the status of patients and keep the records to track their health status either daily or weekly. Click the edit button if the facilitator needs to update or alter a specific record. And click the delete button to remove an inaccurate record. And click the delete button to remove an inaccurate record and prevent misinformation. In search bar, type in the patient's name you want to find and click enter or click the search icon. The rooms and beds is where the vacant and available rooms are. Right here, it shows the total available and occupied rooms. The add room button can add a room in the database whenever a new room, floor or bed is built in the facility. Let's proceed to the LGU or administrator page where you can access by logging in your authorized account. Once accessed, you'll see the home page for admins where list of facilities are presented including their location and COVID cases. In administration page, you'll see 4 navigation button. The home, the list of facilities, the monitoring of COVID cases and creating a new account for facilitators and admins. In facilities page, you'll see the list of every facilities including the available slots for patients, how many patients they have. Once the view button is clicked, you'll see the patient list of each facility as well as their records. In monitoring page, we will see the entire cases of the city, the total active, recovered, deaths and city's new cases. This also includes the case history chart of the city and their COVID classifications. In account page, you'll see 2 buttons for creating account. One for admin and one for facilitators. Once necessary details are filled and account is created, the admin are authorized to edit, update and delete the accounts. Once logout is clicked, the user will go back to Monica's homepage.